Hi, my name is Ross Morphew and I'm a lecturer at Aberystwyth University. My day job is lecturing in biological sciences, but part of my job is helping with the applications to the university. So every year I read a lot of personal statements, and at Aberystwyth we make sure we read them all. So here's a few tips I can give you to ensure you write the best possible statement for your university application. So first of all, write about the course you want to study. So why does this course interest you? What makes you the ideal candidate for this course? And what skills or experience do you have to help you complete the course? Now remember, if you're still unsure about what course you want to study, there's still plenty of time to visit lots of universities, go on open days and visiting days, and do your research around them. Secondly, what are you passionate about? Write about your hobbies and the things you do in your spare time. Write about the things that are relevant to the course or the university experience. Remember to be reflective about your experiences. If you spent a week's work experience somewhere, explain what you learnt from it and how it is relevant to the course. And then thirdly, think about your writing style. Write in an enthusiastic and a natural style, and try not to exaggerate your accomplishments, so be truthful. But also don't shy away from your accomplishments either. So remember, your personal statement is competing for attention with hundreds of others. So it's important to strike a balance between the two. So before I go, here are some quick top tips on personal statements. Do not leave it until the last minute. Begin by making a list of all your achievements, experiences, interests and ambitions. Be positive about yourself. Write several drafts as you go and save your work regularly. Spell check and ask someone to proofread it. Finally, good luck, and I hope to see you at Aberystwyth University soon.